This is going to be a pretty quick video. I saw a pair of boots online. They were really interesting. So I was like, you know what? That looks like something I like. So I ordered a pair. And here they are. So they're not double boxed. So you guys are just gonna see them here. Okay, so it comes in like a baggie. Here are the shoes. I'm not sure if it's because of the profile that they look so small, but yeah. Hope that they're the right size. It says 10.5 to 12 UK, 11.5 to 13 US. So this should work with, you know. I'm not sure which is left and right. Oh, that's interesting. So the original Moonboots. I'll learn pretty quickly which is left and right, unless they're universal, which will be pretty funky. Let's see. But yeah, let's show you guys a closer up view. So they're pretty cool. Let's turn the light a little bit more so you guys can get a better look at that. But yeah, I saw that and I'm like, yeah, this is definitely something that I would wear. So I'm gonna grab a pair, and it has this little tag thingy on it. But yeah, the inside looks like super plush and soft. So let's hope that's accurate and try them on. So this is them on feet. I believe they're universal, like there's no left or right. It doesn't feel like one, like, because the bottoms are pretty round, but they're comfortable. This toe part, like the cushion part, kind of pushes down on your toe, but like, I guess that's just like how it is. But it seems like they'll be pretty fine to walk in. For like the height of them and everything, these are like some cool boots. Kind of feel like a teddy bear or something. I don't know why. Like an action figure. How action figures always have like very big gloves and big shoes. So, but yeah, they seem like they're pretty warm. Like I can feel my feet already getting hot. So these would be pretty good outside. So I'm gonna coat them in Angela's waterproofing spray, even though I'm pretty sure they are waterproof, but can't be too waterproof. So yeah, these are definitely some funky boots, and they're like 100 and something bucks, like 140 bucks. I ordered them like Monday, today's Thursday, and they're here, so yeah, can't complain about that. But yeah, wow, these things are really warm. I can feel my feet getting like super warm. So yeah, it's definitely super cool. I like these. They're really interesting. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.